Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find dessert recipes in Aldi application. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you have to tap on the recipe button. Then you have to tap all the recipes and the desserts button right there. And you will find this. For example, you can choose the muffin with blueberry. You will see what it needs and how to do it. I hope you like this and it helped you. If it was helpful, please consider to subscribing. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.